we're going to go over here to the extensions and do a search for Prettier in this marketplace. And there we go, Prettier code formatter. Boom. And you just make sure it's the one by Prettier. Got a whole bunch of stuff, got some good ratings. There we go. Go ahead and click install. Cool, we are installed. Now we're going to want to make sure that Prettier is our default code formatter for Visual Studio Code. So you go to File, go down to Preferences and Settings. And in the search settings right here, look for formatter. And right here, the editor, default formatter, yeah, select Prettier from this drop-down list. So I've got Prettier code formatter right there. And that will set Prettier to be our default code formatter. And Prettier is smart enough to know to look in and find the file, the default file in our project. So it knows to look into this NW directory. If we set code, it knows, like, it looks at the root of the project and looks for that Prettier RC file that we created. The second thing we want to do is format on save. So format on save, just make sure this is checked right here. So every time we save our file, the formatting will get saved. Cool. So we can click out of here, We can go back to the spoo file and let's mess this file back up again. Let's do some bad formatting. Let's put this stuff right down there, make that ugly. Let's put like 5 spaces, or just do some weird spacing right here. That's kind of wonky. Let's put a trailing colon right there. And yeah, let's do something like that. And cool. Now let's hit Control Save. Boom. It got rid of that trailing semicolon. It formatted everything. It made sure everything is like 4 spaces right there. Our tab width is 4 spaces. And everything looks good. So every time we hit save now, our code's going to look pretty. Now the next step we're going to want to look at is ESLint to help make sure our code is actually correct and finds any common errors.